Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact metal slider style and measuring teeth width so the replacement fits. This matters because mismatched sizes won't engage the teeth. Next, remove the top stop or pull a few stitches with a seam ripper to expose the slider. Do this gently to avoid fabric tears. Once done, lay the zipper flat and stabilize it with tape. Make sure the zipper teeth align perfectly before attempting to slide on the new metal slider. You now fit the replacement slider onto the zipper teeth, aligning the wider opening with the bottom of the track or where the original sat. Orientation is critical so teeth mesh correctly. Once aligned, push the slider onto the teeth with steady pressure, then use pliers to close the back plate slightly if it's loose. Compress just enough to engage without deforming. After installation, slowly move the slider up and down several teeth to confirm smooth engagement, and finish by securing the top stop so the slider cannot come off. Crimp a new metal stop in place, or sew a tight, heavy thread knot about 1/4 inch from the teeth. Make any seam repairs you opened earlier, stitching cleanly so the zipper sits flat and operates without tension. If the zipper still separates or snags, make sure the slider matches the tooth size and orientation. Then reseat and slightly tighten the slider with pliers. If issues persist, replace with the correct size slider to avoid repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.